Yo, what's good YouTube? My name is Shisha Zed. I am back in here, man, with another video for you. You already know how it goes, man. No more wasting time. Let's get it. Listen, fellas, the RP is real. The RP is real. And every once in a while, I have to do one of these videos to sober up and reconvert the beta male within all of us. What we have today is a woman who gets caught cheating on her man while she's on vacation in Miami. Now, you know I'm not here to waste any of your time. Let's get into it.
This is why you come to Miami for? No. This is why you come to Miami? Stop. This is why you come to Miami?
This is Town Boy. Stop.
What?
So what we have here, guys, is a woman who's cheating on what seems to be her boyfriend. And of course, we're going to assume that she's in Miami because he keeps on repeating the question, is this what you come to Miami for? And fellas, the answer to that question is yes. Yes, this is why women go to Miami, Jamaica, Coachella, Atlanta, Hawaii. They go to get their backs blown the hell out. And listen, I know for my blue pill brothers out there, this is hard to take, right? You don't want to hear this? Well, welcome to the truth. I know you guys see it, right? You be on Instagram and you see that girl is on vacation again, right? She's going back to Miami again. She's going to Jamaica again. All that stuff they do, all those vacations they take, they're all to have fun. And a big part of that fun is getting their cheeks busted. And what we have here in this video is a typical beta male. Because only a beta would let her woman go on vacation in Miami and still be around when she gets back. Now, are all women like this? Most of them are. Most women today have access to men who they would consider high value via social media that they would let smash. This is everybody. I'm talking about whether she's in a relationship, marriage, or not. This is the reality of the times that we're living in. You see, a woman is wired biologically to seek the highest value mate which she can attract, right? To provide the best chances for her offspring. So if you think your girlfriend's in Miami and she's over there reading scripture, you're out of your mind. Let's get back into this video.
Look, you gotta stop, all right? Relax. Nobody told you to get my name tatted on you. Now you look stupid with my name tatted on your back.
So the boyfriend starts yelling, I got your name tatted on me, man. I got your name tatted on my skin permanently. And she said, no one asked you to get my name tatted on you. Damn. But it doesn't end there, right? She goes further to say, you look stupid with my name tatted on your back. The disrespect is too much. This man is a beta. He is a simp. No woman on this planet can respect any man who's willing to get her name permanently tatted on his body. But she won't tell you that. Right? She's not gonna tell you how stupid you look. She'll say, oh my gosh, that's so sweet. I love you so much, babe. I love you. And you fall for it like a beta male simp. And what a simp doesn't realize when he does that is the irreversible damage that you have done to your image through her eyes. You see, women by nature seek men who they view as alpha. This is the man who she views as the prize. And when you get her name tatted on your body, now she becomes the prize. And when guys do shit like this and get a woman's name tatted on their body, they are indirectly letting her know that now she is the prize, or maybe always has been. She gets put on a pedestal because you have now placed her above you. Here's the thing, women want to be on a winning team. She wants to be on the team of a man who she sees as a fucking winner. So when you get her name tatted on your body permanently, you're letting her know that you're the best thing that's ever happened to me, period. You're changing that dynamic. You're playing the beta male role when you're supposed to be the best thing that's ever happened to her. That's how you keep a woman happy. That's how you keep her in line. So what happens is the beta male puts her on a pedestal, but she's seeking an alpha. Alpha means leader, right? But you've put her in front of you, so now she's leading you. And then she goes to Miami and finds a man who puts himself on a pedestal. He calls himself the prize. She likes that because she's looking for that alpha for her life. And she cheats. And not only that, right? She gives him what she would never give the man who she doesn't respect. He gets more sex. He gets it nastier. He gets, to you, she told you she doesn't suck any dick, right? She said, I don't do that stuff. Ew, that's gross. To the alpha, she's slurping. You feel me? She's doing stuff that she normally would never do. Why? Because she's trying to impress. She's seeking his validation. And people may say, oh, that's so manipulative. Shut up. Let's be honest. Take a look around. Don't watch what women say, man. Don't look at what women say. Look how they act. More oftentimes than not, women go after men who they think are better than them. These are the men who get the best the woman has to offer. This is the man who she dresses up for. She looks the best for every chance she can get. She watches her words. She respects him. He's the prize. Right? And a lot of the times, man, she'll tell you, oh, I don't do that. Ew, no, gross. I don't really like sucking dick. Nah, I don't like that at all. But for him, oh, she does it. Willingly, joyfully, right? Because she's trying to please. She can't please the beta, right? Because you make her feel like her job's already done. That's how the beta makes her feel. He makes her feel like her job's already done. I've already got the best thing in the world I could ask for. And now she's cheating on you in Miami. Oh, shoot. But the man who she views as her leader, right? As alpha. He's got that alpha mentality. He's never completely satisfied. So she chases that. And she loves it. They won't admit this to you, but they love it. Let's get back into this video.
Relax. Come inside. Because he's not leaving and you're not leaving either.
She said, relax, because he's not leaving and you're not leaving either. Who do you think runs that situation, man? Who do you think runs that relationship? We've got the man who's out of frame, acting emotional, feminine energy, right? Allowing himself to raise his voice. That's not what an alpha does. Right? An alpha male is in control of himself. See, a lot of you get this whole thing mixed up, right? You come on my channel typing, oh, I don't like the alpha and beta term, right? You say the human beings are way more complex than that. Well, this is what I mean when I say alpha. I'm talking about a man who is in control of his own life as much as humanly possible. Doesn't allow himself to go off center. All qualities of a man who is grounded, who is intentional with his decisions, not easily swayed by circumstances and emotion, who has purpose in his life. That right there is a man whose life is chaotic because he doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't have game. He's getting emotional, right? Getting angry, getting mad because he sees the alpha took his chick. This is what happens. And the crazy thing is, this could be any one of us, right? You or me. The man himself just doesn't understand what's wrong is his mentality. He cares too much about the wrong things. He cares too much about women, a woman in this specific circumstance. His mentality is all screwed up. The moment any man stops thinking straight and embraces that beta male mentality, that could be him. Any man. You have to be the center of your life. You have to be the alpha of your life. You have to be the leader of your life. And when a woman is the center of your existence, your purpose, when you get up in the morning, now she becomes your leader. Your decisions are influenced by her. Well, what's wrong with the woman being the center of your life? Well, number one, it turns women off. Number two, you as an alpha male need to be intentional and have the alpha mentality to lead your own life. And that comes from putting yourself first. Making yourself the prize. Your value is based on you, your purpose, your view of yourself, your calling to be a man, to be a leader of your life. And a woman will be attracted to that and want to follow you based on that. It is in her nature. You've got you and God. That's it. What about family? What about friends? Yeah, sure, they're there to help you, but ultimately, you are the star of your own life. You are the prize. And when it comes to a woman, you are the head. Always. Men today are too soft. I was listening to this live with Judge Joe Brown and Kwame Brown, and Judge Joe Brown was speaking some truth. He said there are more boy virgins today who are 25 and under than girl virgins. Meaning today, the average woman doesn't find the average men attractive. And that makes sense, right? Because we've got a bunch of beta males today and not enough men who embrace their alpha mentality. And on top of that, we've got women who are expressing themselves sexually, freely, more than ever before. And they're showing us who they're attracted to. And it's not the average day man, the average day simp, the average day beta. There are really only two types of men in this world right now. Men who have no direction, no purpose, and feel no need to embrace their masculinity and accept their role as a man on this earth. And men who are intentional about life and live life with a purpose to compete and to be the best versions of themselves. They take responsibility of their lives. These men have what I call the alpha mentality. This could be the millionaire who built his business from the ground up to the man who loves to cut hair, went and pursued it and is now doing it at a skillful level to the best of his abilities. Those men with an alpha mentality value their purpose more than anything between any female's legs. These men are their own men, not afraid to speak the truth, and naturally women find these alpha-minded men attractive. Not only are they attracted to those men, but they chase those men who possess that alpha mentality. Why? Because they are leaders of their own lives. These are the men whose names women get tattooed on their body, right? Not the other way around. So if you're in a place right now in your life that lacks direction, that lacks intentional effort, that lacks purpose, you let yourself go, you stop taking care of your body. It's been a while since you've hit the gym. It's not too late. It's not too late for you to get up and start tomorrow. It's not too late for you to start today. Adopt that alpha mentality. Stop bitching. I'm tired of the excuses. Too many people have excuses. Too many people on this channel have excuses. Excuses will get you nowhere. In order to be respected, you have to first respect yourself. And part of that respect is taking control of your life. Alpha mentality. Alpha mentality. Are you the leader of your life? Do you allow circumstances to dictate your decisions? Are you pedestalizing women, chasing after ass? The world has more to offer. You have to challenge yourself. You have to get up early. You have to plan something out. Actually do it in that day. Figure out what you want to do in this life. Pursue it and do it to the best of your abilities. Do not put a woman on the pedestal, man. Focus on you and the rest will come. You improve and everything will follow. If you enjoyed this video and want to do some amazing things for my channel, hit that like button. Not only that, you notice we're almost at 20K. If you've seen my videos a few times and still haven't subscribed, show your boy some real love right now and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you all. I appreciate all my subscribers. You know I do. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you thought. You guys know I stay in there and chat and talk to you guys as much as I can. My name is Shisha Zed. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.